Hello English learners! Welcome back to English Flicks. Today we're diving into essential phrases for daily communication. Whether you are traveling, meeting new people, or navigating everyday situations, these phrases will be your key to effective communication. Let's start it. Greetings and socializing. First and foremost, greetings set the tone for any interaction. Practice saying hello, hi there, and how are you? These simple phrases go a long way in making connections. Now let's add some socializing expressions. Nice to meet you. What's up? And how is it going? Try them out with me. Asking for help. In daily life, there might be times when you need assistance. Let's learn phrases like, can you help me? Excuse me? Where is the bus station? There will be invaluable various situations from asking for directions to seeking help in a store. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Excuse me? Where is the bus station? Now let's learn expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude is a crucial aspect of communication. Simple phrases like, thank you, and I appreciate it, go a long way. Let's practice these expressions together. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your help. Small talk is a great way to break the ice. Learn phrases like, how is your day going? What do you do for a living? These can open up conversations and make you feel more comfortable in social situations. Repeat after me. How is your day going? What do you do for a living? Finally, let's cover farewells. Saying goodbye politely is important. Practice phrases like goodbye, see you later, take care. These help in wrapping up conversations on a positive note. Try it out. Goodbye, see you later, take care. Fantastic job, everyone. Practice these in your daily life and you'll find yourself navigating English conversations with ease. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons here on English Flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future lessons. Until next time, happy learning. Ahmet Köse.